Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to help you to determine the molecular geometry of silicon dioxide. It has a chemical formula of SiO₂, and to understand its molecular geometry, we are first going to look at its Lewis structure. So this is the Lewis structure of SiO₂, where silicon is forming two single bonds with two oxygen atoms and has no lone pairs of electron on it. We must always note down the number of lone pairs and bond pairs that are attached with the central atom in the Lewis structure, as they affect the final geometry of the molecule. If we look at the structure in 3D, we can see that the structure is linear. Let us use AXN notation method to see if we are on the right track. Here, A stands for the central atom, X are the number of atoms that are forming bonds with central atom, and N is the number of lone pairs attached on the central atom. Here we have silicon as central atom. There are two oxygen atoms bonded to it and has no lone pairs of electron, and that gives us a general formula of AX2. If we refer to this table here, we can see that the molecules that have AX2 formula have linear shape with bond angle of 180 degrees and hybridization as sp. For more such videos, make sure to subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.